más grande empanada. Exactly what you need after this action. Yes, let's leave this beautiful place again. I'm very slowly. Not that I'm in a rush, but this island is small, but on the other side it's super huge. Let's go again for some exploring. Chiloe is definitely worth it to visit. If you're in Chile, go for Chiloe. Nice bridge. Nice. Beautiful river. Beautiful river. A nice trail on my map, or this is a nice way, but yeah, I need to get gasolina, and it's getting dark. Maybe there's some rain today, so getting gasoline, getting a bit of food, and looking for a place to camp to end día número 3. Let's ask. Hola, buenas. ¿Una gasolinera?
¿Cómo?
¿Dónde puede encontrar una gasolinera?
Sí, al fondo,
¿Sí?
a mano derecha.
Gracias.
Ahí la va a pillar por allá.
Gracias. Al fondo y derecha. Straight and right. No, a lot of people are. I go to the right. Work smart, not hard. Buenas tardes. Now we go and leave the pueblo again. I need the nature. Look what you're... It's so amazing. Exactly what I needed. Exactly. Nice. Check out this nice noise. super hard leaves. Amazing plants. I really forgot to touch it. And yesterday in the evening I realized how nice they sound. Magical place, magical place. Look at that. All the woods, the river, the house. Amazing. What a camping place, huh? What a camping spot. I decided to take one lap without luggage and only bring the most important stuff, like tire irons and tools. kidding me? Ah, mierda, this track. Wow! I had no time to set up this camera. There was no place to stop. Wow. Wow, I'm speechless for this track. Ich bin ja so ein Lapp. Lässig Drohne fliegen und dann die Drohne versenken im Hang. Ai. Schauen wir mal, ob sie noch geht. Fucking hell, sie ist im Arsch. Sie ist im Arsch. Gimbal broke. Mierda. Yeah, fucking. Yeah, mierda. It was super stupid from me. Yeah, it's like it is. It has one little good side that I don't know. I think I will not buy a new one now. And anyway, I have never such a good connection with my drone. I crashed it very often. I was always lucky, but yeah, I was lucky often enough, I would say. And yeah, maybe I get rid of the space in my backpack, because actually the drone, it's not heavy, but it takes a lot of space, and I'm not using it that often. So yeah, like it is. And I don't need to think about, should I make a drone shot now from this? Would be nice, a drone shot. Because in the end, it's a lot of work. It's also a lot of work to set up this camera, but different work. And yeah, we will see. On to that. Auch jetzt mal Chicke. That's so stupid. So stupid. Yeah, one thing less. No, fuck, now I'm stuck. Fuck, now I'm stuck. Until the fucking hell. Mierda, and it's super swampy. Fuck. Try, but I think it's not working. The front tire is in the full power vacuum.
in a full power Vakuum. Fucking hell. Shit. Ooh. Well, I expected, yeah, what I expected. Let's get her out. Here it's not so bad, but where the bike is inside it's even more deep. That was deep now. That was deep.
Yeah, when you're anyway wet, it doesn't matter. Wow, this was so... crap line. Mierda. Mierda. Just let it roll. Engine brake is so nice. Mierda. I'm stuck in the back.